Looking for a PC case that breaks away from the usual gaming look and brings a fresh, elegant style to your setup? The Fractal Design North Airflow is not just another chassis. It's a stunning fusion of natural wood, premium materials, and high-end engineering designed to blend seamlessly into your living space while delivering top-tier airflow and performance. This Red Dot Design Award winner is perfect for gamers and creators who want a build that's both beautiful and powerful. Visually, the North stands apart with real oak or walnut front panels that add warmth and sophistication, complemented by faux leather tabs and steel or brass accents for a premium feel. It supports ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, fitting GPUs up to 355 millimeters, so high-end components are no problem. Cooling is a priority here, with support for radiators up to 360 millimeters in the front, an open front panel, and a mesh top. Your system stays cool under pressure. Two quiet but effective Aspect 14 PWM 140 millimeter fans come pre-installed for balanced airflow without noise. Storage options are flexible, with two combined 3.5-inch/2.5-inch drive mounts plus two dedicated 2.5-inch mounts, so you can mix HDDs and SSDs as you please. Building and upgrading is hassle-free thanks to removable side panels and an integrated top panel tab, while smart cable management keeps everything tidy and optimized for airflow. The front I/O includes a modern Type-C port along with USB-A and audio jacks, ensuring compatibility with today's peripherals. All these features come together to make the Fractal Design North Airflow a unique statement piece that balances natural aesthetics with premium craftsmanship and powerful functionality. A perfect home for your next gaming or creative rig. If you want a PC case that's a breath of fresh air in both style and performance, the Fractal Design North is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep up with all our latest PC gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.